Hello! Today I'll be showing you how to register for a Libraries in Clackamas County eCard. If you think you may have an existing account, please contact one of the LINCC libraries to confirm before attempting to register for an eCard. A LINCC eCard may only be used to access resources and materials from the libraries in Clackamas County system and are available to all residents of the LINCC Library Service District who are 5 years or older. To begin, go to the LINCC website at lincc.org. On the left-hand side, look for the Register for an eCard today and click this link. That will take you to the eCard registration. Here you'll be filling out your information in each of the fields. A few things to take note of are the name suffix field should only be if this person is a John Q. Tester Jr. or a John Q. Tester III. If you don't have that in your name, just leave it blank. We ask that you provide a physical address as opposed to a P.O. box. And this helps us verify which service area you live in. And in the same field, we just need the number and the street that you live on. And you can abbreviate the state. And for the phone number, we ask that you provide the appropriate dashes between each of the numbers for your phone number. Also, please provide an email address that you have access to. This is where your eCard number will be sent, and all notifications about your account will also be sent to that email address. You're also going to come up with a 4-digit PIN number that you're going to remember. And lastly, choose the library that you would like to have as your home library. So I'm going to pick Oregon City. Once you've completed this registration, you can then hit register. That will generate a confirmation email with your eCard number in that notification. Once you have your confirmation email, you can begin using your eCard immediately to access ebooks, audiobooks, a number of online resources, and physical materials at any of the LINCC libraries. If you have any questions at all, please contact a LINCC library, and that contact information can be located on the main LINCC library page on the left-hand side under Locations and Hours. And that is how you register for an eCard. Thanks so much.